Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on Motorola phones. So here is my Motorola G85 5G, but the method is the same also for other Motorola phones. And to take a screenshot we have three ways. The first one is to press together volume down and power like this. And here is the screenshot, and you can edit, share it, use Google Lens, or delete it directly from that picture. And now the second way, for that just go to settings and here go to gestures, and we have here 3-finger screenshot. And this feature needs to be enabled, and you can use 3 fingers, just touch the screen and you have a screenshot. We have also here some exceptions, and 3-finger screenshot won't work when you are using the apps below, and from here you can select some apps, and 3-finger screenshot won't work for that. Now let's see how it's working. So use 3 fingers, touch the screen, and here is the screenshot. Okay, now the last way, for that again go to settings, to gestures, and here we have quick launch. Tap to go inside. This feature also needs to be enabled, and you can use double tap on the back of your phone to open some app, or also to take a screenshot. So just tap here on the settings icon and select take screenshot, and now exit. And now to take a screenshot, double tap on the back of your phone like this. Doesn't work all the time. Let's do it again. It's not the best method, and sometimes you need to insist to take a screenshot. And this is the screenshot. Okay, now all the screenshots are saved in the Photos app. Just go to the app, tap on collections, and here are the screenshots. Okay, so this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.